This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open the design where you need an image. Click Photos or Elements on the left sidebar to start. Type a clear keyword, think nouns and style words, because Canva matches tags and metadata. Once done, filter by orientation, color, or free/pro to narrow results quickly. Make sure to toggle transparent background for overlays if needed so your image layers cleanly. This gets you focused results, rather than scrolling aimlessly through unrelated graphics. Now refine results using filters and search techniques so you find the right image faster. Apply orientation and color filters to eliminate misfits, and switch between photos and elements to compare vector versus raster. Try alternate keywords, synonyms, plural forms, and style modifiers like minimal or vintage because Canva's tagging varies. If you have a reference, upload it and use replace or drag it into the canvas to match composition. Make sure to preview at full size to check resolution and cropping before place your chosen image on the canvas and use crop, position, and layer controls to fit your layout. You'll see why precise placement matters for balance and readability. Edit the image with adjust sliders, brightness, contrast, saturation, or apply a preset filter so it matches your design palette. Once satisfied, lock or group elements to prevent accidental changes. If results don't appear or quality is low, clear browser cache, try a different keyword or upload the asset directly, and then replace to ensure the exact image is used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.